Next, let's jumpstart the design for our website by adding the Starter Templates plugin. On the left side, navigate back to Plugins. Then at the top, click Add Plugin. Then search for Starter Templates. And when you see this one, click Install Now. Then when it appears, click the Activate button. You'll be immediately routed into the onboarding flow for Starter Templates. Depending on when you watch this video, you may see different things at the beginning of this onboarding flow. In my case, I see an AI website builder. Go up and click the top right dropdown, and then select Elementor. Now, if Elementor doesn't show up in the dropdown at the top right, let me show you really quickly how to enable it. You'll go to the bottom and click Exit to Dashboard. Then on the left side, you'll click Settings. Scroll to the bottom to the Starter Templates section. Then for the option, Disable Elementor Page Builder Templates and Starter Templates, make sure it's unchecked. Then click Save Changes. Return to Plugins, and under Starter Templates, click Get Started. Again, in the top right, select Elementor from the dropdown.